morning, everyone. How's everyone doing today? Great! Last time, we talked about our community and the places we see around us. Who remembers some of those places? Everybody? Great job! Now, today, we're going to learn about some special people who work in our community. These people help us in many ways. Can anyone guess what I'm talking about? Yes, we are talking about community helpers. They are people who help make our lives better and keep our community safe and happy. Okay, kids, let's think about some community helpers. Who can tell me who helps us when we are sick? Everybody? Yes, Anna. Yes, that's right, Anna. Doctors help us when we are not feeling well. What about a person who helps put out fires? Yes, Daniel? Exactly. Firefighters keep us safe from fires. What about someone who teaches us? Who help us to learn new things? Amanda. Fantastic. Teachers help us learn and grow. What about a person who fly airplanes? Yes, Brian. Impressive! Pilots are people who fly airplanes. They make sure we get safely from one place to another in the sky. What about a person who cooks delicious food in restaurants? Anybody? Yes, Cindy. Terrific! Chefs are people who cook delicious food in restaurants. They use lots of yummy ingredients to make meals we all love to eat. What about a person who catches bad guys? Yes, Robert. Outstanding, Robert. Police officer catches bad guys and keep us safe. Okay, kids, today we learn more about these special helpers and what they do for us. Now, I have some pictures to show you of different community helpers. Let's look at each one together. Please raise your right hand if you know the answer. Kids, what do you think this person does? How do they help us? Okay, Anna? Great, Anna. What do you think this person does? How do they help us? Yes, Michael? Excellent. What about this? What do you think this person does? How do they help us? Yes, Lucy? Impressive, Lucy. What about this? What do you think this person does? How do they help us? Okay, Amanda. Terrific. What about this? What do you think this person does? How do they help us? Yes, Brian? Outstanding! What about this? Yes, Jimmy. That's a top notch. Kids, can you think of any other community helpers? Not in the picture? Let's make a list together, okay? Robert. Yes, lawyer. Lawyer. What else? Yes, Samantha. Yeah, yes, that's right. Vendor. V-E-N-D-O-R. Vendor. Give me another example, Sally. Yes, nurse. N U R S E. Nurse. What about Jill? Yes, engineer. E N G E N E E R. Engineer. What else? Brian. Artist. A-R-T-I-S-T. Artist. What else? Yes, Naomi. Businessman. Okay, B-U-S-I-N-E-S-S-M-A-N. Businessman. Impressive, kids. That's very impressive. Let's give ourselves a round of applause. Everybody. Now that we know about community helpers, let's have some fun. We're going to do a role play game. I have some props that you can use to pretend to be different community helpers. Let's start. Who wants to be a firefighter? Here's a helmet. How about a doctor? Everybody, here's a stethoscope for you. How about a teacher? Here's a whiteboard and markers for you. What about a pilot? Everybody, here's an airplane for you. What about a chef? Here's a cooking and baking material things for you. How about a police officer? Here's a police officer's things for you. Kids, let's split into a small groups. Each group can pick a community helper and act out what they do. I come around to watch and help. Wow! What an amazing job you all did as community helpers! Can anyone tell me why community helpers are important? Everybody? That's right. They help us in so many ways. Remember, when you see these helpers in your community, you can say thank you for all the great work they do. Before we end today, let's make a thank you card for our community helpers. We can draw pictures or write little notes to show our appreciation. This is the end of my teaching demonstration. The assessment in these lessons is observe students' participation in discussions and role-playing to evaluate understanding, and review the thank you cards to assess students' grasp of these rules of community helpers. This lesson incorporates interactive discussions and role-playing to engage kindergarten students in understanding the important roles community helpers play in their lives. Adjustments can be made depending on the dynamics and interests of the class. That's all my lesson for today. Thank you.